Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Dispenser, part #WPW10224428. The Whirlpool Dispenser, part #WPW10224428 is a refrigerator water dispenser designed to dispense cold water from the refrigerator. It is a replacement part for Whirlpool refrigerators and can be used to replace an existing water dispenser or to add a new one. The dispenser features a push-button control that allows you to easily select the desired temperature of the water. It also has an LED light that indicates when the water is ready for use. The dispenser is made of durable plastic and comes with all necessary hardware for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement dispenser actuator for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is used to activate the water and ice dispensers on the refrigerator door. It fixes symptoms such as the dispenser not working, not dispensing water or ice, or not responding when pressed. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the dispenser and make sure all parts are included. 2. Remove the existing dispenser, if applicable, by unscrewing the mounting screws from the inside of the refrigerator door. 3. Place the new dispenser in the opening and secure it with the mounting screws provided. 4. Connect the water line to the back of the dispenser using a 1/4-inch compression fitting and a nut driver or adjustable wrench. 5. Plug in the power cord to an outlet or surge protector and turn on power to activate the dispenser. 6. Test for proper operation by pressing all. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.